Today, I'm replacing the stock side panels of my Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 with the newly launched Bear 650 side panel. Welcome back to Gadget Wheels. Let's start with a quick unboxing. The side panel base is made of hard plastic and comes in a nice matte finish, while the Scrambler-Style plate is a glossy black. Honestly, I was expecting the plate to be metal, but it's actually made of hard plastic too. Bit of a surprise, but let's see how it fits and looks once installed. Now let's install side panel bracket assembly. Make sure the proper side, which is also mentioned on the side panel base plate, and the bracket assembly. Now let's remove the stock Interceptor side panel. I'm also taking out the original side panel lock set and transferring it to the new Bear panel. Fixing the bracket assembly is very simple and straightforward. Just fix with the provided screws. Now fix the plate. Fix all the screws. I'm also reusing the rubber bushes from the original right side panel to ensure a snug and vibration-free fit. I was earlier using a custom side panel, but to be honest, I was never fully satisfied with its fit and finish. This new OEM kit just fits better and looks cleaner. Let's install the side panel. All the part numbers and pricing are mentioned in the description below. The Bear side panel is a direct fit on the Interceptor, no drilling, no cutting, no extra brackets. Just line it up, tighten the screws, and you're done. And here it is, the Bear 650 side panel installed on my Interceptor. As you can see, it looks a bit bulkier than the stock panel, giving the bike a slightly more rugged profile. I personally like how it adds more character to the side. What do you think about this new look? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback means a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.